Hi, I'm Vicki Bennett from Lavender Life Farm, and today we are going to make lavender truffles.
I'm going to start out by rough chopping about 8 ounces of very good dark chocolate. I like 72%. Just really finely chop them all up, because the next thing you're going to do is pour some very warm cream over the top of it, and you want it to melt very quickly. I'm going to start out by simmering about a half a cup of heavy cream. Okay, now that we have the milk poured over the dark chocolate, just simply mix it all up. It should melt the chocolate nicely, and the darker the chocolate, the better.
So there's 3 secret ingredients that I use to make these truffles with a really light lavender floral taste. And one of them is our brand new lavender vanilla extract, which has been distilling for the last 5 months. So it's really, really wonderful. It has been distilling in bourbon, so it's got a very rich taste to it. Use a good 2 tablespoons to your milk when you're mixing them together. Then I also use about a teaspoon of lavender infused honey, just to give it a little bit of sweetness, especially if you're using a really, really dark chocolate. And then the third thing is, a little dab will do you on this, is our lavender herb, which comes straight from our farm here, right off the fields. This is just simply delicious. Lavender herb is much different than a cutting lavender, so this is just going to give it a light floral taste. No more than about a 1/4 teaspoon for the full 8 ounces of dark chocolate.
Now we're just going to pop it right into the refrigerator and let that stay for right around 30 minutes until it's all hardened up. Okay, so for my truffle decoration, I have cocoa powder, I have some sweetened coconut flakes, I have my salted roasted almonds, and then I also have some melted ruby chocolate. Okay, this is the messy part, but this is also can be the fun part. Some of these can be a little wonky looking, and you want to try to get the truffle to be as round as possible. So take a melon baller, or approximately the same amount in each hand, and then you're going to just keep rolling and rolling and rolling. Don't worry about how it looks immediately. Give it a good few seconds, and as the warmth of your hands warm it all up, it is going to make it nice and round, and you get better and better at it as you go. Okay, so there you have it. We have our different kinds of truffles, and again, it's all about your own creativity and how you coat them, and they are simply delicious. Enjoy.